In front of me is OPPO Find X8, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Theme Store app and selecting a perfect theme for you from Home section by hitting Themes at the top, by tapping on the search bar and typing in whatever you want to, or by checking out categories and oh my god sections. Either way, after finding a perfect theme for you, you need to click on it. I will go with this one. Select apply. And wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to a default theme, you need to access the same app, and this time choose me at the bottom right corner. Now hit my resources over here, tap on themes, click on a default theme and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!